to my class. Today I will be discussing with you a topic from class 6 maths, that is lowest common multiple, LCM. Now here today we will try to understand 2 points: what is LCM and how to find LCM of 2 or more numbers. So first of all, let us see what is LCM. To define LCM, the lowest common multiple of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number which is a multiple of each of the number. What the definition says, let us try to understand through a simple example. Let us try to find out the LCM of 2 numbers, say 4 and 6. Now, first of all, let us write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. As we know that the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so many are there. Also, let us find out the multiples of 6. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and likewise there are many more. So now from the multiples of both 4 and 6, now let us find out the common multiples of 4 and 6. So what are the common multiples of 4 and 6? Let us check. Here as we see, the first common multiple is 12 and next is 24 and then next is 36 among the multiples that we have listed here. So the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36 and there will be many more. So now from this common multiple we have to find out the lowest common multiple, that means the LCM of 4 and 6. So among the common multiples of 4 and 6, which one is the lowest, that means the smallest? Here we can see that 12 is the smallest common multiple of 4 and 6. So the LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. So this is a basic concept of LCM. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we will try to understand how to find LCM of 2 or more numbers. Found out by 2 methods. One is prime factorization method and the other is division method. Like in the HCF also we have the same 2 methods to find HCF. Even here in LCM also we have the same 2 methods to find the LCM, prime factorization method and division method. Now let us see both one by one. First let us see prime factorization method. Now if we want to know what is prime factorization method, the definition is that in prime factorization method, first we find out the prime factorization of the given numbers, then we multiply the prime factors with the highest power. In HCF it was least power, in LCM it will be the highest power of the prime factors to find the LCM. So let us try to understand this through an example. I will be taking an example from the textbook to find the LCM of 3 numbers, that is 24, 36 and 40. 24, 36 and 40. So let us try to factorize them first. So these are the prime factors of 24. Then similarly we will find out the prime factors of 36 and in the same way we will factorize 40 also. Now we will write down the factors of all the given numbers in power form. Here you see 2 is multiplying 3 times, so it will be 2 cubed into 3 is there, and the factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So here you see 2 is multiplied 2 times, so 2 is squared, and 3 is also multiplied 2 times, so 3 squared. In the same way, the factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So here you see 2 is multiplying 3 times, so 2 cubed and 5. Now here when we find out the LCM, as in the HCF it was the least power, here it will be the highest power. So the LCM of 24, 36 and 40 will be, you see what are the common factors first. You see the common factor is 2 here. 2 is common in all. So for this 2, what is the highest power? You see the powers here 3, here 2, here 3. So highest power is 3. So we will consider the 2 with highest power 3. Then multiplied with, what is the next factor? Next factor is 3. So for this 3, which is the highest power? Here the 3, nothing means the power is 1, and here the power is 2. So the factor 3 is with highest power 2, so we will consider 3 square, and the remaining factor is 5. So here in LCM we have to consider all the factors that we get during factorizing the numbers, and if there are same factor common in 2 or more numbers, then we consider that particular factor with the highest power. So then you can multiply it. 2 cubed means 2 multiplying 3 times, 3 square means 3 multiplying 2 times, and into 5. So the LCM will be 360. So I hope it is clear to you. It is quite similar with HCF. The only difference is that in HCF we considered the common factor with the least power. Here we are considering the common factor with the highest power. And one more thing is that here in LCM we have to consider all the factors that we get while factorizing. So this is what the prime factorization method is. Next, let us try to understand the division method. Okay, now division method. Now in division method, what we do is that first we arrange the given numbers in a line in any order, and then we divide the numbers by a number which divides at least 2 of the given numbers, and then the process is repeated till no 2 of the given numbers is divisible by a common number. So what exactly the division method is, let us try to understand through an example again. I am just taking simple numbers, say these 3 numbers. We have to find the LCM of 12, 18 and 24 by division method. So how we proceed is that, as I said, first of all we arrange the numbers in a line. You can arrange it in any order, not necessary that it has to be this order. You can arrange it in any order and divide the given numbers by such a number which divides at least any 2 of the given numbers. So in this case you see all the 3 numbers are even, so it is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18 and 2 12s are 24. Now here you see 6 and 12 are even numbers, so we can again divide it by 12. As I said in the beginning, at least 2 of the number must be divisible, so we are taking 2. 2 3 the 9 is not divisible, you see, 9 is not divisible by 2, so we bring it down as it is. Then 2 6 the 12. Again still 6 is there, so we divide it by 2 again. Now see, all the numbers are odd numbers, and it is clear, very clear that they all will be divisible by 3. And now you see, as we have obtained 1 at last, so our division is over. Now you multiply all the factors that we have found out. So therefore LCM of 12, 18 and 24 will be the product of the factors that we have found out. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24, 24 into 3 is 72. So 72 is the LCM of 12, 18 and 24. This is the division method to find out the LCM. And let me tell you that this method will be used very frequently in your higher classes. So you need to learn, you need to practice it very properly. So I hope that in this video you have understood both the points which I mentioned in the beginning of this video, what is LCM and how to find LCM of 2 or more numbers. Okay, LCM of 2 or more numbers can be found out using 2 methods, that is prime factorization method and division method. So both the methods I have showed you, and I hope that you have understood it very well. So with this, that's it for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.